Hello everybody, Sniper Lord here, back with another video. Today we will be playing with T-Psych and Munchie, so I hope you enjoy. By the way, huge thanks to the other Sniper Lord for editing this video and creating the thumbnail. Really appreciate it. Okay, where should we go? Yeah, let's go Mystic. Oh, T-Psych, where is he going? Okay, I need AR and small ammo. Oh, frick, I thought that gas grenade was from you. I really need small ammo right now. Oh, just get him. No, you stole my... Oh, finish him. Here, right? No, hold on. I've got for both of us. Don't worry.
Give me a hybrid.
No, trust me. I've got this. I'm gonna drink this. 2 hybrids and 1 big pot. Oh, finally a good AR. Oh man. Oh gosh, I'm lagging. Oh god. There's some bounties. Oh, let's go. Listen, I really need to heal this up. Don't worry, I've got a medkit. Why is that guy going into the gas? Destroy. Oh my god. I'm playing actually good for once while I'm on recording. I take grappling. Do you want the grappling hook? Get him. He's super low, I think. No, he's high. Otherwise he wouldn't be going so aggressive. Oh, let's go. Sorry, I've got heals. How many kills you got? Heal me! He's not healing me. Thanks. Don't worry, I've got bandies. Where is that last guy? Imagine if he's doing storm heal. Oh my, what the? Get him, he's super low, come on Munchie. Oh my god, if this guy wins, I block. Come on, I believe in you. Get him, come on. Yes, get in there. Imagine getting 14 kills while you're recording. Okay, come on. Okay guys, we're just gonna wait a while. This is strange. Okay. Sorry for that pause. How many kills did you get in the last match?
What did you say?
How many kills did you get in the last match?
4.
I got 14. I wonder...
You killed bots. Not gonna lie.
Yep. I wonder where the other guy went. Forgot his name. Munchie. I wonder where he went.
End the video now because we're not really playing,
No, I'm just gonna play this last game because I have a couple of minutes left of recording.
You have to do another set of homework after this.
I don't know. Oh my gosh, stop being so annoying. Why didn't he shoot? Gosh, I've got barely any ammo. Oh my god. Shoot. Finally. I'm so low right now. Actually, okay, I'm coming towards you. I'm on 5 HP on my... And I also need sniper ammo. I've got 1. Never mind, I just found an RPG and now I have 12, but I still need some. Take the pump. Okay, where's your med kit? Please.
Get some bandies.
My meds.
Okay, storm is closing in.
Don't worry, we're gonna make it. The storm is too slow to actually catch us. Here, carry the bandies if you want. Do you want to? I sniped him. He's low. Help, help, help. Help me, for God's sake. I think none of us are high yet. We're all super low. He's a fan.
Yeah, he's a fan of snipers. You killed him anyway.
That's cool. Don't take my hybrids. Do you want it actually?
Yeah.
14.
You can have some as well.
Thanks. Wait, my reverses, I mean impulses.
No, my blue was that.
Fine.
You know what I did was?
What? I've done that many times before. Then this is my airdrop, I've done that so many times before. Guys, we're gonna get him. Nice. I've got a med kit. I've got only one med kit. Wait, hold on. Go. No, what are you? Should I give the med kit to T-Psych or to you?
T-Psych. Oh, he's got bandies. Good.
I've got minis here. There's a med kit here. Oh gosh, I'm super low. Well, not really. I'm kind of low.
I'm super low.
They're taken the top. That's all the heals I have. Why did he? Yes, let's go. Well guys, that's gonna be it for this video, and I hope you enjoyed.